Are you looking for the best cheap drawing tablets? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XPPen Artist 12 2nd Gen 12-inch graphic tablet. A new generation introduces a new chapter. The Artist Series Pen Display, 2nd Gen, upholds our mission to support you to follow your dreams, be bold, and express your true self. Multifunction, multi-size, multi-color. Our new Artist comes with upgrades for an all-new experience. Powered by X3 Smart Chip technology, it also opens more possibilities for your inspiration to flow. The stylus is battery-free and never needs charging, allowing for hours of uninterrupted drawing. With 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, it allows you to create exquisite lines with ease. It supports up to 60 degrees of tilt, making shading easy and effective. With a wide color gamut of 127% sRGB, the new Artist brings a vivid visual experience with brilliant colors and delicate details even on a dark night. Full lamination is applied to the pen display to minimize parallax and provide more accuracy for a natural drawing experience. The new Artist series is available in 4 vibrant colors. Choose your color, personalize your style, and show your unique creativity. The 3-inch -1 cable that supports HDMI signal transmission allows you to connect the pen display to a PC. The full-featured USB-C port makes connection easier with devices such as PCs, Android phones, and Switch, allowing for a tidy desktop. It also works well with various popular digital art software applications, such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, CAI, CDR, GIMP, Krita, and Medibang. Number 2. UGEE 12 Plus Digital Pen Tablet. Featuring an 11.9-inch FHD, 1920x1080, full laminated, anti-glare screen, the UGEE 12 Plus provides a zero parallax drawing experience, ensuring that every stroke comes to life in vibrant hues. Every shade is vibrantly displayed. Switch between tools and functions quickly, and adjust drawing tools precisely for enhanced productivity. Drawing monitor with 147% sRGB color gamut and 1000:1 high contrast ratio. Display 16.7 million colors, meeting the color diversity and precision needs of video editing, graphic design, and other creative industries. The FHD 1920x1080 IPS screen with full lamination brings precise cursor positioning and minimal parallax. The screen surface is coated with an anti-glare film that can reduce interference of reflections while showcasing even at a wide angle of 178 degrees. Computer graphics tablets plug and play, widely compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux, and can easily connect to Windows 7/8/10/11, Mac OS X 10.10, or later versions of computers and laptops, and Chromebooks. The device supports Adobe Photoshop, Paint Tool CAI, Illustrator, Corel Draw, Corel Painter, Sketchbook, Manga Studio, Clip Studio Paint, etc. Number 3. Frunsi Standalone Drawing Tablet. Rubens Tab T11 Pro Standalone Portable Drawing Tablet with 1920x1200 HD IPS. High-end monitor ensure a more vivid showing. Signal output, mini HDMI and Type-C. Ultra-long battery life. Built-in 5800 mAh battery that support working for 5 hours above. Drawing tablet. Display is a standalone graphics tablet, without any other computer, and you can install even more drawing application from Play Store. Standalone drawing tablets with no computer needed. You can also install even more app with the tablet to share your digital artwork with social media or with your friends and family. The most affordable standalone drawing tablet that comes with a pen and a pre-installed drawing app for those who want to draw pictures or take notes in the classroom. Paint and draw on a portable graphics monitor to breaks down the creative barriers. allows you to draw and create naturally with the advantage of a digital medium. Android 13 standalone drawing tablet with no computer needed, installed with the latest Android 13, powered by MTK 8183 quad-core CPU chips, comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, supports TF card reading up to 128GB, enough storage for apps and digital drawing. Number 4. XPPen Artist 12 Graphic Tablet. Enjoy creating directly on XPPen Artist 12's HD IPS display. It's ideal for drawing, photography, animation, fashion, architecture design, online education and more. A super portable screen conveniently placed on your tabletop or anywhere as you like to simplify your workspace. Each shortcut key can be customized as needed to fit your preferred tool, while your touchpad can be programmed to zoom in and out on your canvas, scroll up and down, and more. These customization options allow you to optimize your workflow, to create your ideas faster and more efficiently. Featuring a unique hexagonal design, non-slip and tack-free flexible glue grip, partial transparent pen tip, and an eraser at the end. Delivering technical sense, high efficiency, with a fashionable and comfortable grip. Convenient 3" -1 cable, easy to connect, which make your workspace more convenient and clean. 1920 by 1080 HD display resolution paired with 72% NTSC color gamut, presenting vivid images, vibrant colors and extreme detail for a stunning display of your artwork. Number 5. HUION Q620M Graphics Tablet. The EMR technology frees your pen from battery and charge. Apart from being energy saving and environmentally friendly, it provides a more accurate and natural drawing experience. 8192 pressure sensitivity levels ensure each line input to be rendered in a more lifelike way, as the shapes and colors of each line will vary vividly as pressure applied to the pen changes. ±60 degrees brush tilt can be recognized on programs like Photoshop without compromising of accuracy. The report rate has been further improved to the industry-leading level, ensuring instant capture of any movement of the pen and accurate feedback without any lagging. 5080 XPPen resolution makes detailed modification on pixels a reality, and therefore enables the delicacy of your works to be fully unfolded. 8 programmable press keys are available for you to individualize your workflow and achieve higher efficiency. Sufficient battery capacity for you to unleash your creativity on the tablet. The pen and tablet can respond to each other within 10 mm of sensing distance. The pen has dual programmable buttons, convenient and easy to use.